Hey, good morning or good afternoon for some of you Cristo Rey students. We're going to talk about the lesson that we are going to do today. Apologize, I'm not at school today. I will be back on Monday. And here's something real important for you to know about our poster projects as we begin. Your poster projects are due on Monday. Monday, we'll be drawing numbers and random groups will be coming up to present on their posters and they will be graded. So today's the day where you want to make sure you get your posters completely done. Your posters cannot leave the room today. And because I'm not here, we can't come during structured study or ninth period to work on them. That was what we did last week. So today's the day you gotta get them done. All right, the only exception to this is for some students who are in eighth period, you can work on these during structured study on Monday. I know, boo, eighth period, or yay, eighth period if this is being shown during eighth period. All right, so let's now get right into our directions, what we need to do. And first of all, thank our awesome teacher for being here and covering for me. I really do appreciate it. Look back at the bookshelf. If you look back on the bookshelf, you will see there are markers there. And there's also a little ice cream bucket. That's that little bucket with like some colored pencils in it. There's some tape next to it. And inside that ice cream bucket, there's also glue sticks that I put there. Those are the materials that can be used today to work on your posters in your groups. So in just a few moments here, you're going to get together with your groups. The awesome teacher is going to hand out your poster, and you can use all those supplies. So our awesome teacher is going to take the posters that are underneath the table next to the podium. They have your first hour. These are your posters. And our awesome teacher is going to take the big clip off these, put these on the back table, and you can come by and get your poster. If you have one of those big cardboard posters, and there's a couple of those that are sitting over there, you can go ahead and grab you one of those as well. Now, if your poster's not laid back there, what can happen is the teacher can go with you through the other piles like second, third, and eighth period if there's a mistake. But we need to make sure these stay together because I'm going to use these to grade them and to put these together after we're done with our project. So let's look at basically our plan for today. Oh, I just got a lot smaller. Oh, all right. So anyway, let's move ahead. And we're doing belief systems before 600 CE. Our essential question is, what caused religions and philosophies to flourish during the classical period before 600? Our objective is to identify and explain key factors about belief systems of the world in your packets to be used for a poster presentation. And our agenda is, first, we're doing these online directions. Then you're going to have time to work on your poster for almost the entire class. And if you get done, you can do some of your English homework, read a book. You can read a book for world history. And if you do that, you can also fill out one of your reading logs in the back where you have first, second, third, and eighth period and fill out your name for that one. You can get a possible 4.0 option. Or you can work on other homework if you finish. Most of you will probably be really close to using all the time. So if our awesome teacher could put those posters on that back table and spread them out, you'll be turning these posters in at the end of class. So our awesome teacher is helping out, just patrol the room, walk around, make sure people get the supplies. No one should leave the room. And if they want to leave the room, they have to give you one of Mr. Wood's passes that are in their folder. So otherwise, everyone should be staying inside the room. So if our awesome teacher could just keep everything here, wait till about 10 minutes left of class, and please show the rest of this video. Okay, go ahead, let's get our posters and let's get going. Oh, back already? Hope the posters went well. All right, here's what we need to do now to end the class. We're gonna need to make sure all the markers are put back in the right spot on those boxes. Make sure those boxes get put back on the bookshelf in the back. Glue sticks are returned. Scissors and all other supplies are returned where they go on that back shelf. Then you need to take your poster board you got right here, your poster, fold it into fourths like this, and make sure you get it to our awesome, amazing teacher so that teacher can put this binder clip on them with your class period, first, second, third, or eighth. And these can be taken and put underneath the table. So that needs to happen. And remember, Monday, our first group will be going. So take your plan sheets. Plan sheets are where you wrote down your 3 main areas that ended up on your poster. Again, your poster have 3 of your main jobs on here, 3 of your jobs on here. You will need to present 2 of your jobs on Monday or Tuesday next week. It'll be random draw. Homework for the weekend. Homework for the weekend is this. You need to practice your presentations. I would say read through them 5, 6, 7 times. And we'll be able to see if you really did that by how you perform on Monday. So read through your presentations 5, 6, 7 times at home to make sure you do it well. I'll give you one last piece of advice. It's going to sound a little weird, but you can do this. Record yourself with your phone doing your presentation and then watch it. And if you're like, ooh, speaking too fast, then do it again and slow down. This will assure you a really good grade on your presentation. That's my advice. So we're presenting on Monday and Tuesday. I will see you then, and thanks for doing an awesome job. Let's get cleaned up and have a great weekend, everybody.